Got another tool from Japan to look at today. This is a machine screw cutter from the company Esco. Let's open it up and take a look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Now I picked up this machine screw cutter. This was actually a gift to me from the owner of the company that distributes this or manufactures this. This is made in Japan by this company called Esco. Now the label here is all in Japanese, other than right here it says made in Japan. We can translate each part of this label just with your iPhone if you just go down there and just hit this little text box. Anytime, anywhere, cut freely. Let's see if we can translate that too. It says machine screw cutter. Sharpness, it's great. M3, M4, M5, M6, compatible with iron and stainless steel, made in Japan. So a pretty straightforward tool, and it seems to be really heavy duty. Pretty hefty as far as the weight. That's definitely not a lightweight tool. Part number here is EA545AK-10. Again, you can see right here, it's printed right on the tool. It says made in Japan. Now it looks like we have some instructions in Japanese here, and also in English, which is nice, but it's pretty straightforward. Looks like you just need to mark the screw that you want to cut 5 millimeters from the actual cutting point, and then you fully open the handle, insert the screw into the appropriate screw hole, screw it in until the mark touches the insertion surface of the main body, and then holding the handles with both hands, you close the handle all the way to cut the screw, and then the cut piece will fall out from the main body, and then you can take out the screw and you can use it right away. The nice thing about this is that it leaves your screws nice and clean with no burr. All right, I just grabbed a handful of machine screws. These happen to be metric, and you can see this is an M3, M4, M5, or M6. And the instructions say all you need to do is open the handle all the way, and we need to thread one of these in. This one, it looks like it's an M6, and you're going to thread that in. Now it's going to cut 5 millimeters in from where you mark it and where you thread it in. So for example, if we need it to be, you know, only, let's say, just that much shorter, we're going to have to mark it 5 millimeters from that location. Once you have that marked, screw it in. I'll just screw it into that mark right there. And then it's going to cut at the other location, the other mark, because this plate right here is 5 millimeters thick. So let's go ahead and just grab both handles and push that together. You can see here's the cut piece that came off. And then we can unthread this out of the tool and take a look at that. There's no burr at all. This is ready to thread into a bolt or whatever you're working on. Does not have a burr. That's a perfect clean cut, and this is ready to go. Super simple, super quick. All right, let's do another one here. This is another machine screw, and we do have a little nylock nut for this one, so we can test that after cutting it. Looks like this one is an M5, so we're gonna screw that in a little bit. Now, because this cuts 5 millimeters away from your mark, you also can't cut screws that are shorter than 5 millimeter. I'm just going to screw this all the way in, kind of at a random length, until I can feel it coming through the tool over here, and then push the handles together. All right, our cut piece went flying, which is okay. We didn't need it, but we can take this out now. And again, perfectly clean cut. Now here's a close-up with the iPhone so you can see what that cut screw looks like. It is ready to be used, no burr at all, and this will easily thread on, or the nut will easily thread onto that machine screw. One step cut and ready to use, no deburring, no nothing. Pretty cool tool, very easy to use and seems to be very high quality. Cut through those screws with ease, even the larger M6, it really wasn't hard to do. You know, you've got just enough leverage in these handles. Very impressed overall with the quality. It's just the perfect amount of leverage to cut through those screws, and I can see how that would really speed things up on a job site. You know, if you're in the trades and you're cutting a lot of machine screws to length, just to not have to worry about deburring or filing anything to be able to use it. One step cut and you're good to go. But again, a very nice made in Japan tool. Printed right here, made in Japan. Also on the handles, it says right down here, made in Japan. Very high quality. I really like the feel of these handles. Really comfortable to use, and I can see this lasting a long time. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same machine screw cutter as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.